Hello, good morning. Welcome to a new video. In this video, we are going to learn two things that are really easy. We are going to start by learning how to edit a document using OneDrive. So we have to go to OneDrive and then find the document and then edit it. Okay? To do that, you need that this document is shared with you, or you have been, or the document have been created by you. The other thing we are going to learn also is how to work with PowerPoint on OneDrive, how to edit documents of PowerPoint with OneDrive. So first, we need to go to OneDrive to open a document and try to edit it. So um, there are another video that you may need to watch in case you haven't seen, that is one that is how to upload and share a document in Google Drive, how to get to Google Drive, and all these things. But today we have to focus on these two things. Okay, let's go and try it. Okay, first you need to go to Google, to OneDrive. To go to OneDrive, you have to sorry, you have to go to these 9 um, points, right? And then click on OneDrive. So if we go here, okay, we say OneDrive, and here we are. Okay, if you are the owner or the one that have created the document is going to be here in my documents. But if someone else have created and has shared with you, then it is here in share with you or compartido. Okay, so I click here, I find all the documents that have been shared with me. If I click here, I find all the documents that I have created and maybe I have shared with someone else. Okay, like this. And this is the case. Okay, this is share. This is the one that I'm gonna open and I'm gonna edit. Okay, so I click on it and open it, and this is the document you have to download to uh, create the project. Okay, first you have to come here and you have to edit your names. So names of two students. Okay, of the two students, in case the project is done by two students. Okay, so here you have. Now this is something that is finished, the bulldozer. Okay, where you have all the parts. Okay, and you have a title block with the name of one of the students that have done this. Okay, so now if you want to edit a new slide, you have to come here and then you create a new slide. Imagine that you want to do uh, this one, that is the crow crane. It's a type of crane that is like this. Okay, here you have the pulley, the wheel, and axle. The pulley, the wheel and axle, a lever. So you almost have this done. Okay, better if you go to the internet, get the image, copy the image, and then paste it here, right? Here I have it. Perfect. And now I have to add several uh, lines for the pulley and for everything. So you have to go to insert and then shapes here and then lines, and then you have a line here, right? Okay, if you want to point to the police, here there is one. Okay, then you have to edit the size of the of a line. You want it to be greater, okay, uh, thicker, and good. And now when you are happy with this, you can duplicate it. So copy and paste, and then you have another line, right? So you have a pulley there and a pulley here, and then you have to write here the pulley. How do you add the test? To add the test, you go to insert test, and then here you have the test, right? And then you write here that this is a pulley, okay? And you may need also, as I have include here, some scheme about the machine. So you come here and then you say, okay, go to Google and find a good scheme for a pulley. This is good, okay? So you copy the image and then go to the document, paste it, and here it is. So you have the pulley here, okay? And so everything. Another way that may be very easy and is a good idea is to duplicate the slide, okay? So to do that, you have to select, you can select this, then duplicate the slide. So now you have two. The only thing you have to do here is to cancel or eliminate this machine and copy this one. Here it is. Okay, you have to send it to the background. Okay, so you have to click here and then send to the, and then you only need to modify all this, all these lines and everything. So all these lines you can modify, and you want it to be police, then you point the police here. Sorry, you point the police here, right? And then of course if you don't have a 3 class level, then you eliminate this or modify and write here police. Okay, this is my suggestion. And then of course you cancel this but include this part. Okay, copy this part, so you have a police and you have already this. So it is not the analysis and of a bulldozer, it is a crawler crane. Okay, then we put here a crawler crane, and here the same. Okay, it's the crawler crane, and then here you explain what a crawler crane is. Okay, you write here, you find information, you say it is a machine, and so on, right? And then if the author is not Santiago Diaz, then you change and write the name the name of the student that has done this. Okay, so this is the way to have now to another slide with different information but with the same shape. Okay, and take advantage of the design. so that it is going to be faster. Okay, you have to eliminate some of the things, but you can use some of them, right? Imagine that you have done all the machines and it is finished. Now, how do you download? Because you have to, wait a moment, we have to download. We are going to learn how to download also as a PDF. Okay, so we are going to download. Then you come here and then save as and then download as a PDF. Okay, you can also change the name. Okay, you want to change the name here in Drive, you can modify this name, and instead of being simple machines and compound machines with by and student names, then you change this and put your new names, right? And this is, I hope it was useful for you. Thank you for watching. See you in another video.